Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Semrush to audit technical SEO issues, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Semrush account. If you don't have an account, visit the Semrush website and create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Projects tab in the left sidebar. Click on Projects to access your existing projects or create a new one. To create a new project, click on the Create Project button. Enter your website's domain name in the provided field. Choose a memorable name for your project. Next, click Create Project to finalize the creation process. Once your project is set up, locate the Site Audit tool in the left sidebar. Click on Site Audit to begin the process of authorizing your site. You will be prompted to set up the audit options for your website. Choose the crawling frequency according to your website's content update frequency. Specify the number of pages you want to audit in the Limit Pages for Audits section. Scroll down to find the Set up the domain options. Here, you can select the protocol you want to use, either HTTP or HTTPS. Input your website's root URL in the Crawl Scope section. Next, ensure you select the appropriate user agent for your website. Proceed to scroll down to the Authorization section. You will have several options here for connecting your site, depending on your setup. If you want to use an API, choose the relevant option and follow the on-screen instructions. If you prefer to authenticate using a verification tag, select that option. Copy the verification tag provided by Semrush. Now, log in to your website's content management system. Paste the verification tag in the appropriate section of your site, such as in the header. Return to Semrush and click on the check button to verify the tag. Once confirmed, you will receive a success message indicating that the authorization is complete. If you encounter any issues, ensure the tag is correctly placed and try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.